Today we are going to discuss a topic called interprocess communication. So it is a way in which the processes communicate with each other. That is, we know that in a system different processes may be running at a time, and these processes may be cooperated with each other for the smooth functioning, right? So the method by which, or the way by which the processes communicate with each other is known as an interprocess communication. Now, the processes executing concurrently in an operating system may be classified into two. One is the independent process and one is the cooperating process. Independent process means they work independently. That is, they cannot affect any other process, okay, or they are not affected by other process also. So those kind of processes are independent process. They work independently. Whereas the cooperating process means they can be affected or they can affect the execution of some other process. Those kind of processes are known as cooperating process. So basically any process which shares the data with other process is known as a cooperating process, and independent process is a process which does not share any data. Now, and what is the need for this interprocess communication? So interprocess communications are provided mainly for the following reasons. First one is information sharing. Information sharing means several users may be interested in a single piece of data. That is, for example, a file may be shared by different users. So when users have to share a common file, or when a file has to be shared among different users, all the process, suppose there are 5 processes, these 5 processes must be able to access this single file. So we need to give an environment, or we need to provide an environment for cooperation of processes. Okay, that is information sharing. And computational speed up, that means that in order to achieve a computational speed for the machine, what we do is, instead of doing a big task, what we do is we'll divide the task into several small tasks, and these subtasks will be made to run concurrently. Okay, and so in this way we can speed up a system. So that is computation speed up. So that is why one reason why we provide inter-process communication or cooperation among the processes provided. Third one is modularity. Modularity means if we want to design a system, we'll divide it into different modules and we'll design each module separately. That is how a single person may not be developing the entire system. Instead, it will be broken down and each module will be developed by some person. And later on we'll put all these modules to work together.